What is up, guys? Mason's World back with another. I don't even know how this got here. Back with another video, and today I'm going to be trying to solve the Rubik's Cube. Okay, just so you know, I am not good with solving this. I mean, I could get the white cross if you know what that is, but other than that, I can't really solve it. But this video will just be me trying to solve, or trying to at least get something. But I could get one side, for example. I could just go like this. So I'm good at getting one side very fast. I don't know why, but yeah. I'm just gonna do this. Let's see, I followed instructions. It's just, when it comes to solving a Rubik's Cube, I'm not really, sometimes I just get, like, confused, or I just get off track, or I get, like, something like that. But with, solving a side, I'm good at solving just, like, a side, like, just... let's see. See, there, I'm good at solving one side. But with like, all the sides, not really, not at all. So I haven't made a video in a long time, but yeah, so I decided to just make it on this. Okay, so I'm trying to scramble it. If I even did solve this thing, it would probably take me like, or if I solved it in a day, it would probably take me like 2 hours, something like that. But yeah, so yeah. It's the morning right now, so that's why it's 11:26. So yeah, so I'm just gonna try to solve this. So just scrambling it up, trying to make it as hard as possible, just because. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get the white cross. If you're good at solving Rubik's Cubes, you probably already know what that is. So, let's see. Yeah. So if that's right there. So the white cross. So if you don't know what the white cross is, it's where you have to, for example, you have to white cross. But then with the white cross, you have to have 2 blues, 2 oranges, okay, for example, like, let's see. So you see this? 2 oranges. You have to have 2 oranges, 2 greens, 2 blues, and yeah, basically that. But you have to have it on all sides. But let's see, I'm trying to get it. So as you can see, I got red and green touching white. I watched a few tutorials. They were okay on how to do the white cross. Maybe I should move this down here. Okay, I totally just messed that up. Um. If I ever do figure out how to solve this, I'll probably do a lot of videos on either how to solve it or like racing against someone. But that's only if I figure out. But right now I don't really know how to solve this. Let's put that back. Okay, so I've gotten red and blue. And green, and oh, so I've gotten, sometimes I get into these situations where like I get blue, red, green, and orange, but then the cross is not a full cross. So, oh, okay, so if that's, the step that I get stuck on is solving the white corners. Basically, like, so if you see how this is a cross, corner, 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 and yeah, solving the white corners basically. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I've gotten blue and green, so blue and green. Oh my gosh. Just that way. Okay, oh! So I've gotten the green, orange, blue, and red, but not a full cross. If I, there, I've basically gotten the white cross except for this thing. Maybe I should just remove that. Okay, I have the white cross. So, cross, and then red, green, orange, blue. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to solve the white corners. Basically, is like, so as you can see, the red is right here, but then you have, for example, this gets moved up there, so it's like a T shape, and then you do another T shape on each side with this like orange, 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 to get a T shape of each color, and then also with the white side solved. And so that's the part I always get stuck on. So I'm just gonna try. Okay, so let's see. White cross, that's right there. Should move this right there. Wait, no. Okay, so I've gotten a T shape. You don't really need like a full T, but you just need, and then I got another T shape. It's just I needed a cross. Man. is really hard. Oh my gosh. It's easy to get the white cross for me, but like, when it comes to solving the white corners and like the top face and you know that stuff, it gets pretty challenging. This is really hard. I'm just gonna mix it up again. My fingers are... when I scramble it, my fingers are fast. Like, not fast, but the closest I've been to solving was when I solved the white side, and then I had the blue side, but then, like, there was only one square that wasn't blue. I guess you could call it close, but not in my opinion. Okay, so, I'm not gonna try to solve it right now, just because, but I'm just gonna solve the yellow side. I'm just gonna do, or actually no, I'm gonna solve the white side. I'm gonna try to solve the white side and another side without using the steps that people usually use. This is, oh gosh. Okay, so I've got a little bit of blue, orange, and white. Ooh, this is hard. So, guys, I'm pretty sure this will be it for this video. I'll keep trying to solve this. Actually, I always try to solve this, but Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.